The world is standing at the edge of a cliff, and all it takes is one spark to send everything tumbling over the edge. And that spark may very well be Bitcoin. All eyes are on the flagship crypto as it builds pressure like a volcano about to blow. But here's the twist. This isn't your typical Bitcoin pump. Oh no. This time it's different. The beast is shaking off the shackles of a year-long bear market and emerging stronger than ever. Sure, there have been wild swings before, but nothing compares to the tectonic shifts happening right now. It's not just retail traders waking up to Bitcoin's potential. The big boys are jumping in too. We're talking institutional players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest. These aren't your average investors. They're the titans of finance, and their moves send shockwaves across the markets. Recently, they filed for spot Bitcoin ETFs. It's a big deal because these companies manage trillions of dollars, and bringing them into the crypto space legitimizes it further. Think of it as a gateway drug for traditional finance. Once they dip their toes into Bitcoin, who knows where the journey will end? But hold on a minute. What does this mean for ordinary folks like you and me? Well, when big money institutions enter the crypto space, they bring a ton of liquidity with them. This influx of funds can boost Bitcoin's price significantly. Plus, more liquidity means tighter spreads and fewer chances for wild price swings. It's like having a financial heavyweight on your team. Makes you feel safer, doesn't it? Now let's dive into the technicals. On-chain data reveals that long-term holders are accumulating Bitcoin like it's going out of style. Since March, they've been steadily adding to their stash, bringing the total to almost 900,000 coins. That's worth over $46 billion. But why are they buying so much? Well, they understand the scarcity value of Bitcoin. As the supply tightens, its value goes up. And right now, the smart money is making moves. In contrast, short-term holders are cashing out. They're taking profits and running. But here's the catch. This supply shock is just the beginning. The next 4 months, we're expecting the Bitcoin halving. This event cuts new supply in half. And you know what happens when supply shrinks and demand rises? Prices go through the roof. Just look at the past 2 halving cycles. Each was followed by a parabolic rise in Bitcoin's value. Speaking of value, remember those big institutions piling into Bitcoin? They're not the only ones. Since January, Bitcoin's price has climbed from around $16,000 to nearly $30,000. That's a 50% increase fueled by the belief that Bitcoin is a better store of value than traditional assets. Why? Because it's scarce, it's decentralized, and it's not tied to any government or institution. And here's another game changer. Bitcoin is a global asset. It transcends borders, currencies, and even financial systems. It's like gold in the Wild West, a shiny, valuable commodity that anyone can own. As more people wake up to this, the demand for Bitcoin is likely to soar. So buckle up, because the best may be yet to come. Bitcoin's journey is just beginning. With all the pieces falling into place, the stage is set for a remarkable run. The question isn't if it will happen, but when. Are you ready to be part of this revolution? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. The future of finance is here, and it's happening right now.